Welcome to the best picks. The best laundry sorter is probably one of the most convenient and space-saving laundry solutions you can find, making your laundry day a breeze. This video will help you navigate the world of laundry sorters with wheels, highlighting key features, benefits, and factors to consider when choosing the perfect one for your home, so you can say goodbye to overflowing laundry baskets and hello to organized laundry. Number 5. Simple Houseware Laundry Sorter. This innovative laundry cart makes sorting clothes a breeze. Its sturdy design and durable bags will handle even your largest loads. It features a reinforced steel frame with 6 horizontal bars for superior strength and stability. You can confidently load it up without worry. Each of its large-capacity bags holds 11 gallons of laundry. They're also easy to clean, making maintenance simple. It features heavy-duty casters, 2 of which have brakes for secure positioning. This ensures effortless mobility, even when fully loaded. With generous bag and overall dimensions, it offers ample space for sorting clothes. It's designed for both functionality and ease of use. This laundry sorter is protected by USPTO patents USD 9375119S1 and USD 7339884S1, ensuring you're getting a high-quality, innovative product. What we like? This laundry sorter boasts an incredibly strong frame, ensuring it can handle even your bulkiest loads. Its durable bags are easy to clean, saving you time and effort. If you need a reliable and long-lasting laundry solution, this is the one for you. What people say? It's sturdy and hold a lot, especially kids' clothes. Easy to bring the sections to and from the laundry room. The 4 bags gave me a lot of choice in sorting. And now my husband's motor oil stained work clothing has its own place, no more leaked oil stains onto all the other clothing. It is so lightweight that assembly was even easier, as I didn't have to struggle to move the pieces at all. The whole cart rolls very smoothly over the carpet where I assembled it, and the linoleum in our bathroom where it is kept. Once I had all the screws fully tightened, the cart had no slop in it, even when loaded with about 2 hampers worth of dirty clothing. The bags are durable, water-resistant and decent size. Each bag holds a full load. The front wheels lock so it stays in place and the bags are easy to take out and replace. Number 4. Storage MANIAC 4-section laundry sorter. Say goodbye to laundry chaos. This sorter makes laundry day a breeze with its 4 spacious compartments. It boasts a massive capacity. Each bag holds up to 25 pounds of laundry, perfect for big families or busy households. The 4 bags are easily removable for transport. Their waterproof lining makes cleanup a snap. 4 heavy-duty casters provide smooth rolling, and 2 lockable wheels keep it steady when needed. Its sturdy metal frame ensures stability, even when fully loaded. The reinforced bottom prevents sagging. It's designed for quick and easy setup, perfect for homes and hotels alike. Keep your space organized and clutter-free. Need to replace a bag? Simply search for ASNB 0989YD7G8 to find the perfect fit. What we like? With its massive capacity, this sorter easily handles laundry from a large family. The removable bags are super convenient for transporting laundry. If you value convenience and space-saving design, this is perfect for you. What people say? It's big, sturdy, and each compartment holds a ton of laundry. Each section is removed so you can carry it with you if you don't have the space to roll it. This is a large-capacity laundry sorter. The bag can be lifted off to make putting in washing machine easy. Has not held on to odors. Number 3. Storage MANIAC Laundry Sorter. Say goodbye to overflowing laundry baskets. This sorter makes laundry day a breeze with its 3 spacious compartments. It boasts a generous size, with each bag capable of holding up to 25 pounds of laundry. That's a lot of clothes. The 3 removable bags are made of a durable, waterproof material, making them easy to clean and transport. 4 heavy-duty casters, 2 of which lock, allow for easy maneuverability around your home. No more struggling to carry heavy laundry. Its sturdy metal frame ensures stability, even when fully loaded. The reinforced bottom prevents sagging, keeping your laundry neat and organized. It's designed for simple assembly and everyday use, perfect for homes and hotels alike. Keep your space tidy and clutter-free. Easily find replacement bags by searching for B0989YD7G8. Keeping it clean and organized has never been easier. What we like. This option offers a large capacity, perfect for families or those with lots of laundry. The removable bags make laundry day a breeze. If you need a spacious and easy-to-use laundry sorter, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Assembly was pretty straightforward. I was able to accomplish it in about a half an hour while watching TV. After assembly, I was pleased with how easily the large wheels allowed maneuvering through a home with tile, carpet, and the transitions between. These are sturdy bags with reinforced edges that, I believe, will hold up for a long time. Number 2. YUELAN Laundry Hamper. Say hello to effortless laundry organization. This hamper is designed to simplify your life and make laundry day a breeze. Its sturdy metal frame ensures stability, even when fully loaded. You can easily store blankets, clothes, or even toys, up to 50 kilograms. Keep your laundry sorted with its 3 separate, waterproof bags. This helps prevent odors and makes sorting a snap. The smooth rolling casters and locking brakes make transporting it easy. Plus, cleaning it is a simple wipe down. With its reinforced 600D Oxford fabric and easy-to-use straps, it's built to last. It's perfect for families, dorms, or anyone who wants convenient laundry organization. It's quick and easy to assemble with the included instructions and tools. You'll be ready to organize your laundry in about 20 minutes. What we like. This laundry sorter features a remarkably stable frame, preventing tipping even with heavy loads. Its large capacity and waterproof bags are perfect for keeping clothes organized and fresh. If you prioritize stability and water resistance, this is the ideal option. What people say. Material is sturdy and well made. It's a lot bigger than I expected. Very easy to assemble. The wheels on it are not junk, they are casters, which makes it easier to move around. One of the standout features is the handy 3-section design, which allows for effortless sorting of laundry. The sections are generously sized, accommodating a significant amount of laundry, which is perfect for busy households, dorm rooms, or any space needing a little more organization. Assembly couldn't be easier. This laundry hamper comes together in just a few simple steps. Clear instructions ensure that putting it together is quick and hassle-free, with no tools required. The addition of wheels is a game changer. Moving loads around the house is no longer a struggle. Simply glide your laundry from room to laundry room with minimal effort. The YUELAN 240L laundry hamper with color separating feature is an absolute game changer for anyone looking to streamline their laundry routine. This spacious hamper offers ample room to store all of your dirty clothes, towels, and linens, helping to keep your living space organized and clutter-free. The color separating feature is a genius addition, allowing you to easily sort your laundry as you go, saving you time and effort on laundry day. The durable construction of the hamper ensures long-lasting performance, while the lightweight design makes it easy to transport from room to room. Number 1. VASAGLE UBLH301W01 Laundry Sorter. It has 3 separate sections, each holding 10 gallons. This makes sorting lights and darks, or different laundry types, a breeze. The built-in shelf gives you extra space for detergents or toiletries. Plus, the slatted design helps keep everything fresh and airy. Each liner is easy to remove and transport to the washing machine. The plastic bottom panel prevents sagging, and the hook and loop fasteners make it simple. It's built with a sturdy steel frame and MDF panels, supporting up to 44 pounds. The water-repellent fabric and adjustable feet add to its stability. This hamper fits perfectly in any room, laundry room, bathroom, or bedroom. It's the perfect addition to any home. Should any water spill on the shelf, simply wipe it clean with a dry cloth. Maintaining its cleanliness is quick and easy. What we like. This laundry sorter's 3 compartments make sorting a snap, and the pull-out liners are incredibly convenient. The added shelf provides extra storage space. If you value organization and extra storage, this is the one for you. What people say. The 3-drawer one we use as hamper space for my preteen, and it looks great in her room. This also is what put durability to the test, and it passes with flying colors. For over a year it's held up against her antics and still looks and works as new. The wood is nice and this is easy to assemble. Easy to move around when rearranging. The metal stays together nicely and is very sturdy. This is super sturdy and looks great. 3 large capacity cloth hanging bags. Easy carry and unloading of clothes. Top is pretty looking wood and put together well. This product was super easy to put together, looks great in the space I bought it for. Great for laundry organization to keep things separate. Super lightweight and sturdy. Baskets are easy to remove and carry to washing machine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.